Have you ever texted LOL or written ASAP in an email or chat? Hello there! In this video, we explore the world of abbreviations, the clever shortcuts that help us communicate more efficiently. An abbreviation is a shortened version of a word or phrase. Sometimes, we take the first letter of words like USA for United States of America. Other times, we cut down the word, like DR instead of doctor. There are a few different types of abbreviations. Acronyms. Words formed from the first letter of multiple words, pronounced as a word. Example: NASA, YOLO, and ASAP. Initialism. Similar to acronyms but pronounced letter by letter. Example: FBI, DIY, and ATM. Shortened words. Cutting down long words into simpler forms. Example: Prof for professor. AV for avenue. Now, let's check out some common abbreviations and where we use them. Texting and social media. LOL, laugh out loud. BRB, be right back. BTW, by the way. Business and official use. CEO, Chief Executive Officer. RSVP, répondez s'il vous plaît. Please respond. Science and medicine. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. ICU, intensive care unit. Abbreviations save time, make conversations more efficient, and even add some personality. Imagine texting a friend, OMG, instead of writing, oh my gosh. It's quicker and fun. What are your favorite abbreviations? Let me know in the comments. Good job! I hope this video helped you better understand about abbreviations. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!